friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this model, we are going to discuss our fourth question. In a parallelogram ABCD, so they are given parallelogram ABCD and E and F are the midpoints. So where is that midpoints here? So let's take here, this is the midpoint, E and F are the midpoints of DC and AB respectively, and show that the line segment AF and EC trisect the diagonal BD. So this is the diagonal. Then what you have to write here first? The given statements we have to write. So parallelogram ABCD they are given. Then E and F are midpoints of AB, and so here this is the points AB and CD. And what we have to show here is RTP, that is required to prove here is, so show that the line segment, so AF and EC trisecting, so trisecting the diagonal, so diagonal BD. So this is the case here. So what is the proof here? Let's take, so we have to draw this one. Let's take AB. So this is the side AB and this is the side DC. And these are the points, midpoints of AB and BC. See. So let's take, what is this here? Let's take AE is midpoints means, what is that? You can write one condition here. So AB is equal to the AE plus EB. So here AE equal to EB. So both are equal. Then DC will be equal to DF plus FC. So here DF will be equal to FC. So this is the midpoints, right? For that these two sides will going to divide each other. Then what you can write it here? So one more statement. What is that? Here AE will be equal to the half of the AB. Then half of the AB. Then CF will be equal to the half of the DC. So that is the statement. Then what you can write it here is similarly. So here AB is parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD. Then what you can write it here is AE will be equal to CF. AE will be equal to, so this line will be equal to this one. And similarly, what you can write it here is, so let's take these two lines. So C from C to, so what is this? From C to this one. So these are the points of Q. Then this is, so this is the points of AF and EC. So AF will be equal to, what is that? So here AF is parallel to EC, that is AF is equal to EC. Why? Because this is the parallel between the parallels, that is AE and EC. So what you can write here is, therefore, so AE CF is a parallelogram. So what is that? AE CF is a parallelogram. That is the case here. So we are already drawn AE is equals to CF, both are parallel to each other. AE CF is a parallelogram. Next, consider what is that. Let's going to take now. Let's going to take, consider the triangle EQB. So triangle EQB. So EQB and triangle EQB FPD. So FPD. So that are the two triangles. From both, what you can write it here is, so EB will be equal to, so this side will be equal to this side. So in the triangle, so what is that? Let's going to write here. So EB will be equal to, that is FD. EB will be equal to FD. Next, what is that? So this angle, let's take, this is the angle of, let's going to take, this is the angle. So this angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Because this is, So here this is BD is acting as transversal between parallels. So let's going to write angle EBQ will be equal to angle FDP. Since DF is parallel to EB, and what you can write it here is BD is a transversal. BD is transversal. So one condition we got it. What is the next condition? So angle QEB, angle QEB. So this angle we will going to take. So this is the angle. So this angle QEB will be equal to angle QCF. So QCF. So this is the angle. So from what is this? Alternate interior angles. So by using of alternate interior angles. So let's write it this also, alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles, angle QEB. Let's going to write angle QEB will be equal to angle QCF. Angle QCF. This is also alternate interior angles or equal. Then angle QCF, this angle will be equal to this angle. How it is? So this angle, this both are angle, let's going to write angle QCF is equal to angle DFP. Why? Because this is corresponding angles. So corresponding angles, by using of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Then what you can write it here, this is one angle we got. This is one angle we got. This is one side. By what condition here? So by ASA congruency criterion. ASA congruency rule. So ASA congruency rule. What you can write? Triangle EQP is congruent to triangle FPD. So that means what you can write here is by CPCT. What you can write? QB will be equal to, let's going to write this line. So this one QB will be equal to, from CPCT, QB will be equal to DP. So these two sides are equal. By CPCT, QB will be equal to, that is QB will be, so QB will be equal to, what is that? FD. QB will be equal to FD. Then what we have to show? This middle line. So this side. So we have to consider this one only now. So QF. Sorry, this is PD. So let's write this is PD, not FD. So this is PD. So that is PD. Next one, let's going to consider what is that here. So let's going to consider triangle, this angle. So what is the triangle? Let's going to consider PAB. So let's going to consider PAB. So let's going to consider that is PAB triangle. Let's going to consider this triangle PAB. Then what is this? So here E is the midpoint. Let's going to consider the triangle PAB. In that E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint. And from midpoint to it's joining with Q. So it's joining with Q, that is also midpoint of. So this is, if it is joining is this one, what you can write it here is EQ is parallel to AP. Then it is, then Q also midpoint of PB. So midpoint of PB. Then what you can write it here is, that is PB will be equal to PQ plus QB. Then PQ will be equal to QB. So PQ will be equal to QB. Then what you can write it here is these two sides. As we told here, this QB will be equal to PD. So we are shown previously from this, that one. So let's take PQ will be equal to QB. That will be equal to DP. That will be equal to DP. So in what you can write it, all sides are equal. Therefore, what you can write finally here is, so these sides all are equal, so these are making BD is, so what you can write from all these conditions, so AF and EC, AF is EC, trisect the, so trisect the diagonal, so diagonal BD. So like this we need to show. So why? Because here we are making 3 equal parts. Like this we need to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.